Hey guys, it's Tim at JK Boots. Today we want to talk about the difference between a rebuild and a resole. Guys ask me questions all the time. What is a rebuild? What is a resole? Here we go. So here's a boot that's recently been rebuilt. So during a rebuild, what we do is we literally keep only the upper portion. So we tear everything else off here at the seams. Literally everything else is gone, and the only thing we keep is the upper. This is the part that wraps around your calf. It's really important that you take care of these, the upper portion, because this is the thing that's gonna last, you know, those 10, 12, 15 plus years. So take care of this guy. So we take that off, we keep that. And then what we do is we literally cut out brand new pieces. So brand new vamp, this is the toe area, the toe portion, literally brand new lining, this is the portion that's on the inside, a brand new heel counter, everything. I mean, everything is literally brand new. It's almost like a brand new boot. And we literally start the process fresh. We started anew. We sew everything back on, everything, we last it, we bottom it just like a brand new boot. And then bam, we go, here, this is the finished product. So the rebuild portion, it's about almost half the cost of a brand new pair of boots because we're doing almost literally half the work. And it's a really great thing to do about every 3 years, 3.5 years when you need it. It's usually when your vamp or this toe area or the heel area is cracking, starting to fall apart. Maybe the inside of the boot is getting rotten and your insole portion is starting to fall apart just because of wear, just because of time, and just because you're hard on them every day. And so they're not indestructible, but they are pretty dang good. And so we do a rebuild, like I said, about every 3 or 4 years. Now a resole is totally different. A resole is when we're just changing the tread and the tread alone. What we do is right here at this line, this leather midsole, if you can tell the layers right here, there's 1, 2, 3. So we keep that highest layer, the leather midsole portion, and we rip all the rubber off. So we literally take off the rubber heel cap, we remove this leather base, we remove all the rubber, and we put on fresh soles. We put on fresh soles, stitch them through everything. We condition them, shine them up, maybe change out some eyelets, change out some hooks, maybe do some simple repairs. But a resole is a lot like changing the tread on your truck. And a rebuild is a lot like doing literally like an engine rebuild or something. So it's quite different. A resole you're gonna wanna do about every 12 to 18 months, or depending on your wear. A rebuild you wanna do about every 3.5 years, also depending on your wear. I've seen guys that they're so hard on their boots and they don't take care of them, they have to rebuild after 2 years, which is pretty soon. So yeah, just keep an eye on your boots, take care of them, and that's the difference between a rebuild and a resole. Thanks for watching.